I'm all good.
Oh man.
I'm all good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Hey, I'm all good. I'm all good. Shit. No way! No way! What the fuck?
You have a phone on you?
Hey, don't move.
Don't move. I said don't move. Let's get this backpack off of him.
No, don't even move the backpack. Just wait. Okay, sit down.
Just lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Hey.
Lay down. Lay down.
You good?
No.
Scared the shit out of me, bro.
No. He hit it hard.
I know.
He needs to lay down. He needs to lay down. Y'all call 911?
Come on, real quick. Hold on. I didn't see it.
Let's get this backpack.
You feel any pressure anywhere, Garrett?
Yes.
What? You feel any pressure?
Come on, you gotta lay down. You've got to lay down, okay? You've got to lay down.
I'm good.
No, you're not.
Just lay down for a
They
little bit.
hit me. They hit me. I have it on camera.
I know it. But you need to lay down. Because if you've got any internal injuries or anything like that, we don't want to make it worse, okay?
Is anyone calling 911 already?
I don't know.
You call 911?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm a nurse. I need you to hold still in case you're okay, all right? Your neck, the main thing you want to do is not roll around and keep your head as still as possible, okay? Yeah. Just stay as still as possible, okay? We don't want to move you or anything, okay? Because
Shoulder hurt, man. Left one.
Is he okay?
Just lay down.
Yeah,
Is he
yeah.
okay?
He's okay. Yeah.
Relax your shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah, just stay still. Just stay still.
Don't move.
Yeah. Your helmet's the best thing on you right now, keeping your neck still.
Do we have anything to put up on his knees to take the pressure off his back?
Usually they want to keep your spine,
Yes.
C spine,
Yes.
straight,
That's what I was
flat.
saying.
Yeah,
I thought
no, but
No, they
for
usually keep his spine
yeah.
straight.
Just keep your head still, honey.
He bumped my car. Yeah, he hit the side.
I didn't fucking bump it.
Sweetheart, I did not see you out of nowhere.
I know, that's why I'm laying here.
Yeah.
Fucking piece of shit. Making a turn where? Where is there a fucking turn? I don't know. You came out of a spot. And you got into another lane and cut me off. No, I'm not okay. I'm fucking hurting right now. My gloves are all fucking torn up. My bike's fucked up. It's on camera.
That's okay. Alright, so just, you want to sit down or you call 911?
Wind's knocked out of me.
Are you okay? You sure? You don't see me turning around. I have the light. I have the light. You're right. Are you okay? You want me to help you up,
The
or you
wind
want an
got knocked
ambulance?
out of me.
You okay?
Give me a moment.
You sure?
Hey, don't move, man. Hey, don't move. Don't move. Hey, look, can we? Let's get this bag off. Is your arm hurting?
No.
All right, hold on.
I got the light to turn, and he just passed the green light. I mean,
Hold on. Be easy.
Hold on. I'm
Be
cramping.
easy, buddy. You gotta be easy.
My shoulder's cramping.
You gotta be easy.
you want me to call the ambulance?
Excuse me.
Are you alright?
All right. Just chill, man.
Get up in there.
Just chill. Just
You want
be
me to call
easy.
911 for you?
Yeah, gotta call now.
Yeah, I need
Yeah.
permission
Let me get my
first.
phone.
I need permission first. Well, if you need an ambulance or not. That's my question.
Yeah, no, you don't need permission. I'm medical. Yeah. Don't
No, I'm good.
stay still.
I'm just relaxing.
Bro, I just saw that.
Oh shit! Fuck it!
Hold on, man.
Stan, where are you? Stan, where'd you go? Shit. Stan, where are you, bro? Are you in the water, Stan? Okay. Oh, he's over there. Okay. You okay, bro? You okay? Stay.
Take my helmet off.
Okay. Just chill. You okay? You okay? Okay. They're on 911 call. Anything hurt? Like majorly hurt right now?
My back.
Huh?
My back.
Your back? Okay.
Can you take my helmet off?
Not yet, dude. Not yet. Not yet. Don't move. Try not to move.
There goes my bike. There goes my bike, man.
Fuck the bike.
Yeah, but
You guys about the bike? You get a new bike now. Try not to move too much. Just chill in the water. Oh, I don't want you to move too much, man.
I need to get out of the water.
Slowly, bro. Slowly. I don't think this is a good idea, man. Okay, sit here. Just sit. Sit. Bike's off.
No, my bike.
Don't worry about your bike, dude. Don't worry. Don't worry about your bike, dude. Okay, just chill, man. Just chill. You're good. Soft grass.
Oh my gosh.
Stay down. Don't get up. Stay down.
Don't get up.
Was I in the wrong road?
Yes. Okay. Just chill for a sec.
I never took this road before.
That was no
Can you
go.
close your eyes for me? Keep them closed for a second. Okay. Open them up. Okay. Both your eyes are dilated.
Solid.
Good.
You okay? Hey, bud. You alright?
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name? What's hurting you? Don't move your head.
Yeah, I'm shot.
Huh?
I'm gonna get him shot. I gotta reposition.
You gotta reposition what? Alright, I don't. Did you hit your head?
No, I'm okay. I just reposition.
Just slide out and lay back. Lay back. Did you hit your head?
I'm good.
Anything hurting you, bud? You remember what happened?
Yeah, my fault.
What?
It was my fault.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
You speak English?
Yeah, sorry, I can't. I'm in shock, bro.
I know. That's what I'm just trying to make sure that you're okay, though. Did you hit your head? Anything like that?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I
If you
promise.
can't remember anything, we have a problem. Okay?
I'm good.
All right. You want me to call an ambulance for you?
No.
Check you out? I think you should. I mean, you can't remember exactly what happened.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Trust me. I just gotta get home.
Yeah, but I don't think you should just get home, bro.